In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a windshield washer fluid reservoir filler neck on a Toyota Corolla. This is located under the hood. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and locate our filler neck and its push pin clip. Remove this using a trim tool. Set it aside. Once it's removed, pull the filler neck up and out of the vehicle. And there it is. To install your filler neck, slide it in place. Make sure the gauge is inserted into the bottle. And finish installing it. Push down from the base and make sure it's fully flush. Now line up the hole and install your clip.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.